Great. Good afternoon, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to see what is declaration and what is initialization. So, declaration is a process of informing the compiler the type of data that is stored in a variable is called declaration. Okay. For example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a variable int a. Okay. See, look here. A is a variable. A is a variable, and that is stored in a data type called int. Okay, a is a variable that is stored in a data type called int. Okay, so a is a variable that is stored in a data type called int. This is what declaration is. So we are informing the compiler that int type of data is stored in the variable. The variable has stored int type of data. That is what declaration means. Okay, let us take another example. String. Okay, string s1. Okay, see, s1 is a variable and that is stored string type of data in it. Okay, so we are informing the compiler that s1 is a variable and that is stored string type of data. Okay, so that is what declaration means. So coming to initialization is the process of informing the compiler that value that is stored in a given variable called initialization. For example, int a is equal to 45. Okay, int a is equal to 45. See, a is a variable and a as stored int type of data. Okay, so and a is a stored value of 45, which is called initialization. Okay, if a is a variable that is stored into type of data, that is called declaration. A is a variable that is stored 45 value. Okay, that is called initialization. We are informing the compiler. If we inform the data type of a variable to the compiler, that is called a declaration. If we inform the value of a variable to the compiler, is called initialization. Okay, I'm repeating the both sentence. Okay, if we are informing the compiler what type of data that is stored in a variable, is called a declaration. If we are informing the compiler what type of value, how much value that is stored in a variable, that is called initialization. Okay, so int a is a declaration and a is equal to 45, which is initialization. Okay, hope you are able to get it. Okay, hope you are able to get it. I'll just repeat the summary of this video. Okay, so int p is equal int p. Okay, I'm just declaring the variable. What do you mean by declaring a variable? Informing the compiler what type of data that is stored. P is a variable that is stored into type of data. Okay, this is what declaration. Okay, int p is equal to 29. Okay, so I'm informing the compiler. Okay, I'm informing the compiler which value has stored in p variable. That is called initialization. Okay, hope you are clear with this video. Thank you for watching this.